The samples never seem to stop. We have another eInk phone that came out. This is the Facenote F1. You will notice though that although the box is made from the ground up, it has a little bit of an embossed sunken feel to the logo, and it is reflective with a holographic insert, and the Facenote is very well done as well. And why we are saying this is because if you flip it over, you will notice that it actually is just a Hisense phone. This is a 2020 model of the Facenote F1, but it is actually using the Hisense A5 shell from last year. So as we open this up, you will see some similarities to the phones that we have already reviewed in the past. So this essentially is the A5, but it is branded as the F1 by Facenote, and it is a Chinese company that is trying to get into the eInk phone side of things, and they didn't want to make their own unit, which is totally fine because we've seen that in the past, like with QuirkLogic, Fujitsu, Sony, they all use the same hardware. So although they're using the same hardware, the device is actually different. And you'll notice here, this is the Facenote documentation, then you move it, and there's the Hisense stuff, because the Hisense stuff kind of needs to be included for compliance issues. And this is all the warranty stuff, the battery information, so this kind of has to be in the box for export. So a lot of the same things you will find inside are Hisense products, of course. USB cable, the removal tool. This is just a paper clip, so you don't really have to worry about if you lose it. It's not keyed or anything. And here is your Hisense charger. So we will be very interested to see what Facenote has done to kind of make this their own, because so far everything does say, it actually says Hisense on the back there too. So far everything does pretty much say Hisense on it. So we're gonna slide this out, and you'll notice that they are using a matte screen protector on the glass-based screen. So we'll just do, it looks like this is a review sample, so it's already kind of good to go. Yes, it is. So here it is. Here's the phone itself, and you can see that just upon first looks, it doesn't look like it's a traditional Android experience, because doesn't seem to be any app screen, but we do have delete panel, new panel, etc. So we will save that for the whole review. But we do have power button, volume up and down. We have a headphone jack, and yes, much like the A5, there are no speakers on the phone, so you will have to rely on the speaker pack that is jam-packed in with the earpiece. And you will notice that they did, although they left the Hisense sticker on the back, they did brand it themselves with the laser branding, because it's not a sticker or anything like that. So that is their logo that is on the box there. So this is everything that comes in the box. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let us know, and we are very excited to look at the first white label rebranding of the Hisense phones that were oh so successful in 2019 and 2020. So for a unboxing of the Facenote F1, this is Peter.